Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Supriya Singh Kumar and I'm back with another haul video. I hope you all are good and safe at your homes. So let's see what I got today. I have so many things to share with you. See these. They all are from different stores. So I'll tell you the what thing is from where. Now one more thing, sales are now over everywhere, so most of the things are on MRP, so don't expect too much low prices this time. First thing which I have to show you is this bag. See this. This is a office going bag. This is so sturdy and this is tagged for 16 pounds and I got it for 16 pounds. This is such a big bag. See, like this, bigger than my shoulders. And this is so sturdy and it also has a laptop compartment. See, this is a laptop compartment inside and so many other compartments are there. 3-4 compartments are there and one sling is also there to carry it as sling. Else, I think this is a perfect bag to go to office. Oh, here is also compartment. See, even this is a functioning. Even this sturdy bags, they look classy. So first thing is this. Now let's see what's the next. Next thing is also a bag. This is a small cute little backpack. This is from Primark. See, this is a transparent bag but a black pouch is there inside it. I think I got this for 6 or 8 pounds. 8 pounds, I guess. See? I haven't used it yet. This is small, quite small for carrying just a little bit of makeup, mobile. Next one is a decor piece. I love cactus and succulent, so this is a set of 2 cactus, this 2 phlox cactus plants from Primark. Let's see how it looks. Oh my god, these look so real. Even the pot looks real. I think it's, yeah, this is real pot, not a plastic one. And the next one is, both looks like real one. See, they are so close to real and I love cactus. Price for these two are 2.5 pounds, which is around 250 rupees. Clothing is very less, hardly 1 or 2 pieces. Most are the accessories and bags. So next 2 things. First one is these eyelashes, fake eyelashes. These are very close to real ones. I don't like that big which looks like fake from far. I like the lashes which are very close to your real lashes. This says glamorous eyelashes, a pair with glue. I haven't used it now. I'll use it. Then I'll tell you how it's. I got this for 1.5 pounds, around 150 rupees. But they look so real, like my natural lashes. You are able to see it or not. And next one is this. This is makeup accessory eyeshadow duo brush. This is the eyeshadow blending brush. This is one brush, but both ends are 2 different. Number is not mentioned there, but this is for eye makeup. This is a duo brush. You get brushes on both sides. It looks like good, but I haven't used it yet. Let me open it. So back with a scissor. Let's check how's the quality of brush. Shit, what happened? This is good. The quality is nice, but you see, this is okay, one side is okay, but one side is a bit loose. Quality is okay. I got this for £1, 100 rupees. But I am very disappointed with this. Next is a piece of clothing. I got this black shrug with a lace detailings over sleeves and at the bottom portion. This kind of neck detailing is at the bottom and sleeves. See, it's like this. This is originally tagged for £7, but I got it for £4. This is from Primark, and it's so soft. So next one is this. Everyone these days are recommending this on YouTube, so I thought let me give it a try. This is 2-piece makeup removers mitt. Removes your makeup with just water. I got this from Primark. This is for £2. I've seen all over the YouTube that makeup removing clothes are so good, so I thought let's get it a try. This is very soft, something like microfiber or soft, but I haven't used it. I'll use it and tell you how it's. 2-piece. One is baby pink and other one is white. Bring it out. This one is white. It's so soft, like some teddy bear or something. I have 2 pieces. 2 pieces for £2. If it works, then it's very good deal. So this packet is done. Next one is this packet. Again one bag. This is a cute little sling bag. Not very little. It's this much. It's nice to carry your mobile, makeup or something. Sanitizers these days. So this is a sling bag with a tiny tassel or fabric cloths over here. It's in mustard yellow color. So classy. So good. This is good for a party. You should carry it with a black dress. It will look nice. It has a zipper also. And this is very spacious. The small zip compartment with money. Sturdy bags are very in these days. Sturdy bags are quite in these days. And this will go well with some animal printed dress. And this is from Metalin and this is for £14. Quite good. Sturdy bags are a bit expensive. Next one. This is my favorite. See this? This is very good to carry with a sari or a dress. This is in bare, shimmery brown color. All over shimmer is there. It opens like this. And this is also very spacious. And one zip is there to keep your little things like safety pin, flash, or anything like that. I like these tassel part. I like these tassel part of the bag. zips. Zip with tassel. You should carry it like this. One handle is also there. This is also from Metalin, and this is for 10 pounds. So next thing is these shoes. I think these days I'm in love with this color, this shade of pink. I have 3 or 4 shoes in this color. Shoes, bellies, everything. I like the white part. At the bottom you get a white line. I like this. A white line, then a brown one, then this pink one. What do you call this color? I'm not sure. Some shade of pink. This was on discount. I got this for discount. It was tagged for 16 pounds, but I got it for 4 pounds. This will go well with pants and all. These are casual shoes. Now the last thing left with me are these shorts. These are from H&M and these were also on discount. Its tag says 12.99 pounds, but I got it for 3 pounds. What a steal. This is a very comfortable summery kind of shorts. These crushed fabric, the material is cotton. These fabrics, see, these crushed ones. I like this. No need to iron or anything. You just take it off, wear it, and go anywhere. See, it's in magenta pink. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching, friends. If you liked my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn that red button below gray, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And in the comment section below, please tell me how you liked my video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.